Alrighty, guys, what a crazy start to the week. We have SOFI stock up over 6%. It's actually up around 6.5% right now, and mind you, it's about 2:15 p.m., so we are more in the latter half of the day right now, and SOFI is just completely breaking out. So in this video, we're going to break down SOFI stock, obviously, go over the charts, what I'm looking to do, and maybe later in the video, if we have time, we'll break down the overall markets, which right now, I think all the indexes are in the green. So jam-packed video. If y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, it is free, and don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo as well, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000. Guys, listen to this. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which, guys, this promo right now is by far the best promo, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. SOFI, like I said, is up now over 6.5% as the overall markets are just crushing it. We're talking the Russell's up 1.4, Nasdaq's up 0.8%, and we have the S&P 500 up 0.4% as the Dow's up 0.2%, and the VIX is up, let me see, about 1.5%. Really not doing much as the metals are selling off. We actually have gold down 0.25%, and we have silver down about 0.5%. And SOFI, not only is it up 6.5%, but it's also completely breaking out on the intraday and some other time frames that we're going to get into in this video. You guys can see SOFI now is clearly taking out the highs from Friday. We actually peaked at about 9:45 on Friday. That was at about, what time is that? Actually, yeah, this is funny. We mentioned this on Friday. We hit 9:45 at 9:45 a.m. on the East Coast pretty much, and then we actually sold down to about 890. We saw a bit of a sell-off. We're talking about 5%. You guys can see right here, and then we pretty much just blew up right out of the gate today, exploded right out of the open. We opened at about $9, and we hit 980, which was a move of around 8.5%. Big move from $9 to $9.80, and now intraday on this time frame, you can see we're pulling back a little bit, but we're clearly still holding this uptrend. You guys can see that, which is really good overall for the bulls, right? And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute here on SOFI with today's move, well, we took out the highs not only from yesterday, like I mentioned, but from the day before that, day before that, day before that, and the day before that. So we're now trading at a high on the 5-day, 5-minute, and we're clearly holding an uptrend on this time frame as well. Very good sign for the bulls. And on the 10-day chart here on SOFI, guys, taking out highs from now, we're talking all the way back from the end of June. So we're now at a fresh high on the month, guys, and today's actually the 17th of July, so we're more than halfway through the month. So SOFI's trading at a high, which is great, and now we're up around, let's see, we hit 785 roughly on the 6th of July. Now we're pushing 965 roughly. So we are up around 22% off of that low, and we're above the moving averages on this time frame, which is great for the bulls as well. And here on the 20-day chart, we're also at a high. So this is looking good, guys. We're reversing, no doubt about it. We're at a fresh high pretty much. We're pretty much at a 1-month high right now on SOFI, because this chart right here, the 20-day, shows us the price action pretty much since the middle of June. Yeah, right here, what you guys see right up here. This was from the middle of June where we were at about 960, 975. And again, we broke over 980 earlier in the day. So this is definitely heading in the right direction for the bulls, and we're above the moving averages on the 20-day chart, and we have a golden cross. And on the 4-hour chart, I don't know about you guys, but to me, this looks like it is, getting ready to explode past $10. And of course, that's not guaranteed, guys. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do, right? I'm not telling you to buy, to sell, do anything, really. I can't tell you to do that. But based on the charts, this looks really bullish. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And what I see on this 4-hour time frame is an ascending triangle. Do you guys not see that, right? We're making higher lows. Let me draw it out for you all so you get an idea. We're making higher lows here. Boom, boom, boom. But at the same time, we are seeing resistance at about, $9.90 to $10. We've seen that a couple of times here. We're testing it. It looks like we're about to start testing it again right now coming up. So if we're able to blow past $10, in my opinion, on SOFI stock, which is what I've said a lot here on the channel, guys, and, we've covered it time and time again, which is why you have to subscribe. It's completely free. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content coming up. We talk about SOFI, other stocks, the markets, the economy, what's going on out there, and we make a bunch of content. You're gonna wanna tune in. So again, make sure to subscribe. And I'm gonna set my alert at 10. But we've talked about it, right? SOFI, if it breaks above $10, I'm thinking we start making a move towards the teens. I could be wrong. Nothing's guaranteed, obviously, in the stock market, and SOFI is a higher risk stock. But that's where I think it could go based on, these charts. I mean, we're already trading at a close to a year high. Yeah, pretty much we've been trading at a year high now that we've been breaking out over the past couple of weeks here on SOFI. And if we do start breaking 10, the next main, gap I can see this filling to is towards $13. If you guys notice here or take a look on this 3-year chart, if I zoom in, what I'm noticing on this time frame is SOFI stock held $13 pretty much steadily for a while, since the beginning or from the beginning of January of 2021 all throughout the beginning of the following year. So for a whole year, and mind you, it tested $13 multiple times throughout this year, but for this whole year, we came down to 13, tested it, bounced, and shot back up to wherever it ended up going back to, right? But the point is, we held 13 multiple times, so that is the next main resistance by nature here, on the chart, right? Maybe we do see some resistance at about, 11.12 or, 11.50, I don't know. But overall, the next main target, to me at least, is $13, which gives this a lot more upside from here. But again, like I say all the time, nothing's guaranteed. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but that's just what I'm seeing right now. And let me quickly break down the overall markets, what's going on as we're about midway through 2 p.m. now. It's almost 2:30 here on the East Coast, guys. Let me pull up SPY, which is one that I'm looking at here, obviously, every single day, which is the ETF that I look at for the S&P 500. This is now trading at a session high. It's at about 451 right now, which is awesome. And we're starting to now break out towards, it looks like, the highs from Friday, which Friday we hit 451.36. So I would not be surprised by the way it looks like right now if this does break 451.36 and maybe start going mid 450s, maybe higher from there by the looks of it right now. Of course, things can change, but that's what I'm noticing on SPY. And Triple Q, which tracks the NASDAQ 100, is looking pretty dang similar. If I zoom in on Triple Q, this hit around 382.85 on Friday, and now we're at 382.25, guys. So we're 60 cents shy from the highs from Friday. In my eyes, we have an hour and a half left of trading, a little bit more than that as of now when I'm making this video. We could start pushing, maybe even break out of that high. Maybe not today. If it doesn't happen today, it could happen tomorrow. Maybe at some point later this week. The point is, guys, this looks really bullish, right? And it doesn't look like the bulls want to slow down anytime soon, at least as of now. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Again, it is free and it helps me out in the algorithm. I appreciate you guys as always. And if you guys want some free stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, why not? You might as well. If you stuck it on throughout till the end here, make sure to use that link or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks each up to $2,000 right off the bat, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which, guys, that part of the promo is insane. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next. Oops, I almost knocked the mic there. I'll catch you guys in the next video.